beautiful roar of the engine, and we're off with this vlog.
Alright guys, happy Halloween. It is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful day. I thought we would do something a little bit different here. I'm having a little bit of a Halloween party. It's going to be a 2-day long Halloween party. We rented out a club and we're bringing some friends there. I rented a limo for 2 days. We're gonna have a little bit of pre-drinks here, and then we're gonna shoot down there for a little bit of Halloween party, get a little bit dressed up, a little bit fucked up. It'll be a good time. Now, so this video, I just wanted to show you guys realistically what you can achieve as a Forex trader within the first few years. I started trading Forex beginning of 2019 and crypto a couple years before that. So this, you know, it's not anything crazy lifestyle fancy, but this is like realistic. I'm going to show you guys my place. I'm finally going to reveal that to you guys. I'm going to show you my car there. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we're doing for the party here tonight. So what I'm just going to do right now, I'm going to walk around the house, show you the place. You know, there's a loft up there. That's where I keep my my plants and the studio stuff. Got a little bit of lighting out here. Got a mess in the sunroom out there for the cats. It's a nice area. It's a bit older building. Walk into my bedroom here, and you can see, you know, it's just a regular old bedroom, but it's a decent area. And the thing that's great about this place is that the view. So I'm going to jump up there in a second. I'll just show you guys the bathroom here. Bathroom, freshly renovated. You know, there's a $20,000 reno on that bathroom. Nice kitchen. I think you guys have seen this stuff a little bit before. You know, it's not anything crazy nice, but I'm 26 years old and I'm living in a place like this. Let's go upstairs. And I've only been trading Forex for, you know, 2-3 years here, and we're able to live like this. And I think it's quite nice. I'm very happy with this. You know, some of the stuff is a little bit older, like, you know, the flooring needs to be redone, the stairs and whatnot. But let's just pop outside here. It is a nice day, actually. You can see a beautiful view here. Sunset right here all the time. Very nice. You have a little date out here on the cushions. You know, it's a bit of a mess right now because it's getting to fall. But you have a date here, you have a barbecue, have some friends over, watch the sunset. There's usually some fireworks out here for when there's, you know, Canada Day or celebration of lights and stuff, all that jazz. It's great. It's great area. And that's right there on the beach. The beach is right there. I can walk down. My gym is down there. It's beautiful. So let's pop back inside. You know, it's a bit of a mess here, but this is my mini fridge that I keep always stocked with coconut water. Getting a little bit low, but I have a subscription coconut water delivery to my place, so I can always be drinking that coconut water. Just actually, when I came back in, I'm literally just getting off the gym here. Just got this air purifier because somebody was telling me that the place was a little bit cat dandruffy, so, you know, kind of an impulse buy here, 350 bucks, but it's not a big deal. You know, it's not a big deal where we can just have nice pure air. It's nice. So I'll just show you guys a couple more things here. Got a small watch collection. There's a Rolex right there. These other ones, they're kind of cheaper. They're just kind of some other stuff that I found. And then I mostly wear this guy here, the Armani Emporio. I also do this sunlight thing where I wake up in the morning, put the sunlight on me, and it's like kind of like artificial sunlight here because, you know, the sunroof doesn't always get light like this morning, but sometimes it's quite dark out in the Vancouver winters here. So we have to make our fake sun. So that's basically my solution. So guys, I'm just gonna take a shower and then we'll take a ride in the car. I need to stock up this place with some alcohol. I'm gonna get some Don Julio 1942. I'm gonna get some cheaper tequila too. We're gonna make some margaritas. Got some gin, get some vodka, a bunch of different twisted teas and whatnot. And then we'll stock up this place and then have an awesome party here tonight before the limo shows up, and then we're gonna go out on the town. Just waiting here for a couple seconds. My friend's on his way over in an Uber, and then I'm gonna take him for a ride. We're gonna go get some sushi, maybe, I don't know, and get some drinks. He told me he's coming in a hilarious costume, so I'm gonna try to record that and see what that looks like. But I think it's gonna be some sort of inside joke. It's gonna be somebody else that you guys won't understand, but we'll see. And look at that beautiful brand new leather jacket. I am absolutely in love with this one. I had to go shopping all around. It's great. Never had a leather jacket before. I love it. Oh my god. You look just like Riley. Oh my god, that's good. Yeah, this fucking asshole in winter wears a vest and shorts. Alright, we gotta find some of the best alcohol in here. There we go. Probably this cage right here. So I tried calling 5 different liquor stores. Nowhere has it anymore. Completely sold out all over Vancouver. No more Don Julio 1942. So we're gonna go with just that. This one, $90 regular Don Julio. Yes, so we got a little sampler for everyone. They didn't have the Don Julio 1942. Went around to a bunch of different places. They didn't have the 1800 coconut either. So we'll have to just use coconut cream to make it flavored. But this one's hopefully gonna be good. I don't know. See.
Here we are, got the Don Julio out. It's just about 3 o'clock, getting it started the right way.
There you go, man. Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
Alright guys, so it's been a few days since I posted. So I thought I would just do a little bit of a vlog here and keep you guys updated what's going on. And I thought this would be a really great opportunity to give you some sort of kind of motivational video about why you should be a Forex trader and what kind of life you can realistically get from after a few years of profitably trading Forex. I got a 2020 brand new F-type bought this year. I've been trading Forex since the start of 2019, and before that I was trading crypto for about 2 years. So you can do the math there of how long I've been trading for. I was not profitable trading crypto, but became profitable trading Forex. So you can see how somewhat quickly the value of your account can really blow up, and then you can afford kind of a car like this. Now mind you, I didn't pay out the car in full because that would be ridiculous. This is going to be a very realistic, what can you achieve as a Forex trader kind of talk. And so I did lease the car, lease to own, so I am making payments on the car, and then I will be buying it out at the end of 3 years, just because that is financially the better thing to do, and this channel is all about, you know, being financially savvy and not kind of just blowing your money on stupid shit, right? So it actually makes way more sense to lease a car when it's brand new, when it's over $100,000, because it just doesn't make any sense for financing it. And why would you put in $100,000 when you can just invest that $100,000 somewhere else? So I will show you guys some clips of my apartment there, so you guys can kind of see somewhat where I'm living. It's not an amazing place, but the location is absolutely prime for me, and it's dead center Vancouver, just outside of downtown. I have a view of the water there. You guys will see it. It's quite beautiful. I took some clips there yesterday, or a few days ago, before a Halloween event that we were setting off. So we launched the Hunter FX video course on Halloween. So to celebrate both Halloween and the launch of the course, what we did is we had a little bit of a party. I bought some bottles, and we got a limo for 2 days there. Now, since we rented out a limo, we also rented out a club with a few of our friends. Unfortunately, I did want to actually get some video clips of the limo and the club, but I figured it's probably not a good idea with you know, kind of the partying and everything going on. Didn't want to show anybody in bad light, things like this, so I kind of subtracted on that side of things. But it was an amazing time, and had a couple lady friends over, a couple guy friends. We had some fun, and that lasted about 2 days. Now then, after that, you guys probably wondering, where the hell have I been? I I kept vacation going a little bit there because we did have the elections. You didn't want to do too much trading. The hangover after the party was pretty bad. So we kept kind of light, and then I had a bunch of dates with you know, different beautiful girls, because that's how we do here, and have a good time there. And we just had nice little dinners and whatnot, so I was quite busy running around, and I just didn't want to focus on the actual trading side of things too much, or the video side of things. So this is the absolute joy when it comes to being a trader for a living. You can, in fact, kind of just take breaks whenever you like. So I took a few days off, and we were able to have a nice little time with me and my friends, with some girls. And this is partially because we are kind of going through a little bit difficult time there. Recently separating with my girlfriend, it's very difficult for me to actually be alone right now. I'm very codependent because I was with her for so long. So I really kind of needed the company of you know, these different dates and whatnot, and it's just a really good time to hang out with these you know, these women again. So I need to kind of balance that lifestyle with, you know, the trading lifestyle and running the business and whatnot. So it's a little bit it's good to be able to get out again, guys. So that's kind of where we went there. We're gonna get really back into the trading and the videos for November, and we're gonna do a complete sober November. So not gonna have any hangovers. So we're gonna be good, because Halloween was definitely a very drunk time. We went full out on that one, right? So yeah, now some of you guys probably wondering, you know, what portion of my income comes from these course sales, these mentorships, versus my trading? Because that's probably something that's going to be huge in this video, right? Is a lot of people think that the course sales and everything is going to be a massive part, and this isn't a really realistic evaluation of how much you can be making as a trader after a couple years. And I would say it's probably about half, honestly. I can live off quite well my trading earnings at this point, but I am making some decent sales and whatnot, so that really does help me get these extra perks and whatnot. But I am living kind of an extravagant lifestyle already, from what I believe, and it's only been a couple years. Like, you kind of get to the point where you don't really worry about money anymore, and you can kind of just go about life in a very nice and easy way. Like even the fact that I was able to have this awesome party and then just kind of go on vacation right after for half a week, without worrying about having to trade, things like this, knowing that financially set. And that's the beauty of trading, guys, is that it's just going to grow bigger and bigger, and you know, the percentage of the sales for like courses and things like this is going to be smaller and smaller. So it's the same sort of idea with you guys. If you guys aren't actually selling anything, this is why I advise early on having a side income, because you're going to need that little bit of side income while you're growing your account. Once that account gets large, then you don't have to worry anymore, and that's kind of the point where we're at, where we don't actually have to worry anymore a couple years into it. So I've actually just left somebody's house. It's, you know, noon here, staying over at somebody's place there last night, and so I'm just gonna run some errands here, make this quick vlog here for you guys, and then post it up there as quick as possible. And then honestly, we got another little date going on tonight that I have to be ready for as well, because we've just completely packed up this week, but I think next week we're really going to get back into things, and on this weekend too we'll start getting busy too. Just gotta really fill up my time right now, guys, because it's a bit weird not doing things and sitting around. I don't like that feeling anymore, so it's not very comfortable.